Generally, all these activists go and fight for individual causes. Some people fight in Boma, some people fight in Porvorim in that temple case, some fight in Belsound, some fight here and some fight there. And then they disappear. So the purpose is to create union of all activists so that wherever there is an issue, all the activists work together concertedly to see that as a group we can fight and not just go home after one issue is over. There are good activists. This should be an opportunity for them to contest and win elections. On my part, I make it clear that I will not be contesting any elections because it should not be read that I am trying to doing this to come back into politics. No, I have no plans to contest elections. But I think there is need to defeat the BJP this time. And it can only be done if everybody works together. Last moment, with a few days to go, they announce their tickets and create a mess. And often it is said they sell their tickets. This time we are determined to see that all of us will organize in every constituency and we'll get the workers to say, Baba, these are the candidates. If the Congress wants, let them field them. But if the Congress sells tickets and brings someone from High Command who is not in tune with the local people, we may oppose such a candidate. Now there already is Goa Forward Party. There already is RG. There already is UP. Already so many parties. So personally, I would feel that there should be one versus one, largely, versus the BJP. We joining in the fray would add more to it. But it would be see, we are holding convention of activists. And we will then, the activists will decide. I decide nothing. They will decide whether they need to go ahead with a new party. As of now, no party is even functional in Goa, other than BJP. The Congress is hardly there. Most of the parties are non-existent. I am working to give the BJP a 1:1 fight. If the Congress is not willing to accept proposals coming from various workers, from various activists, then we may have to look for an alternative.